Modeling and Acting Agencies 101 4 Tips for Getting In. When you're looking to sign with modeling and acting agencies, it may be difficult to figure out where to start. There are a few agencies that are well established, and there are also many scam artists who simply won't deliver on their promises. You may be familiar with some of the top agencies, but there may also be others newer to the scene that are worth considering. So in deciding where to begin, there are a few steps that will help you navigate the industry. Take some notes. As you're doing your research, jot down information about the modeling and acting agencies that make it onto your radar. You can take notes on anything of interest or pertinence of your future goals. You might choose to group them by distance or what they offer package-wise. There may be perks that one agency is able to offer that another is not, or you may simply like how the process works at one over the other. Prep your materials. One of the more important pieces of information you'll want to capture is how these modeling and acting agencies you plan to submit to accept submissions. What types of things do you need to gather before thinking about passing your info along? Most of the time for acting agencies, you'll need a headshot and resume. For modeling submissions, you may need to pass along a lookbook, tear sheets, the URLs to your social, and other items. Gather or update all of your marketing materials ahead of time. Is there anything that needs to be updated, or is something missing? If you need to shoot or reshoot some photos, update and or proofread your resume, or add something specific in order to complete your submissions, this is the time to do it. Then, when everything's ready, you'll be able to offer the complete package. RSVP yes. Oftentimes, when agencies are interested in what you have to offer, they will invite you to an audition, open call, or interview. If you truly want to work with a company, you'll confirm your attendance. Many times, modeling and acting agencies will let you know exactly what they're looking for so you can plan your in-person visit. This may include arriving in a specific wardrobe, presenting certain marketing materials face-to-face, preparing with a monologue, etc. You'll also want to put your best foot forward by doing your hair and makeup naturally so you're portraying your authentic self. Mind your body language. Most of communication is actually nonverbal, and not just with modeling and acting agencies. This means not only is your outward appearance important, but the way you carry yourself at the visit will make all the difference. You'll want to remember professional etiquette at all times. Make appropriate eye contact, shake hands, nod politely, keep an open stance. All of these gestures matter and could make or break your next deal. A little upfront preparation to secure an in with modeling and acting agencies will go a long way. Follow these simple steps and you may be signing on the bottom line sooner than expected. To learn more, feel free to sign up for our free virtual open call. On this free virtual open call, you will learn about the recent changes in the modeling and acting industries that is opening the doors for more job opportunities. You will learn cutting-edge ways to gain access to a steady stream of high-paying modeling and acting jobs in your local area. You will also learn how to receive continued online training workshops that will prepare you for that big audition or casting call. Click the link below to register now.